Hi, this is Mary RAFA. I'd like to show you how you can set up units of measure in NetSuite. To start, go to Setup, Setup Manager, and then on the left sidebar, click on Company, Enable Features. And on the Enable Features under the Company, scroll down all the way down to ERP General Section. And there's a toggle, Multiple Units of Measure. Put a check mark next to it. So when do you need to enable multiple units of measure in NetSuite? You will need this feature if you are in a manufacturing industry. You make purchases in feet, but when you use that item in production, use it in inches, and you can sell it in feet or in rolls or in yards. In this option, it will let you set up a default quantity or conversion for each unit of measure. And this will be really beneficial for your inventory tracking, especially on the bill of materials. If you like this post and you like to learn more on how to set up NetSuite, don't forget to click like, subscribe, follow, and share.